Sanbonani, Molweni, Dumelang, hello motor lovers, Murise. Welcome back to our channel. You know what time it is. It is time for another epic video of a car interior redesigning and restyling. And as always, a big shout out to our day ones and lots of love to the new subscribers. Keep the love growing. Right, and what have we got here today? Today we are working on a Toyota Gd6 bakkie. We are restyling it. It had fabric seat covers and we are putting on brand new custom designed leather seat covers. I hope you're gonna enjoy the video, and as always, you know what we do. We show you the entire process from cutting, measuring, fitting, all of it. So watch through to the end and enjoy. Well, motor lovers, that is all for today. I hope you had a great time, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and also to hit that notification button. And one more thing, let's keep that conversation in the chats going. We'd like to know more of what you guys enjoy, what kind of content you'd like to see from us, what you want to learn, etc. So keep the hints coming. request what you want to see, and we'll keep giving the content. Cheers.